Okay, so today I want to show you how you can do a really easy crochet ribbing using just the double crochet, or if you're used to US terms, the single crochet stitch. So I've done 11 chain stitches and worked 10 double crochet along the chains. I'm now going to turn the work and chain 1, which is not a stitch, it's just to get me the height. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to work across these stitches, working into the back loop only. So into the back loop, and then we're just going to work a normal double crochet. And we're going to do that all the way along. Like so. So we're not doing anything fancy with the stitch itself, it's just that we're only working into those back loops. This is really useful on any kind of crochet garments where you want some ribbing, so maybe a cuff or a button band at the waist perhaps. By the waist I mean the bottom of the garment, or a hat, socks, really anything you want ribbing on. So that's the first, well, it's actually the second row completed. And what you'll notice is it's sort of stepped it back. So when we now turn again and do the same, so chain 1 and then start our single crochet, sorry, double crochet, unless you're in the US or using US terms. And we're going to do exactly the same into that back loop again. And what you'll see starting to form, if you look at the work, is this sort of ribbing texture. But what I'm going to do is do a few rows and then come back and show you how it's looking. So I did a few rows of the double crochet ribbing, just to show you there that you get a nice stretch from it. You can experiment with different hook sizes, different yarns to get the look you want. I've also done a little sample using a treble crochet or a US double crochet, which kind of more replicates a knitted 2x2 ribbing, but again you can see you get that nice stretch from the fabric. So that's just 2 options for ribbing. There are standard stacks out there that you can try. You can experiment with your favorite stitch really and see how you go along just by working into that back loop. Okay, do apologise for the shadows today. It's a really dull day outside. It's been raining pretty much non-stop, and so I've had to have the overhead light on for filming, so sorry about that. But anyway, there we go, crochet ribbing. I hope you have a little bit of fun experimenting with that.